In this video, I'll show you how to reset your Crypto.com account password step by step. First, open the Crypto.com app or website. On the login screen, instead of entering your password, tap or click Forgot Password. Under the password box, this is what you use if you can't remember your current password or think it might be compromised. Next, enter the email address linked to your Crypto.com account and complete any captcha or basic security check. Then tap Submit. Crypto.com will send a password reset email to that address, so open your inbox and look for the message. If you don't see it, check your spam or promotions folder. Open the email and tap the reset password link. This will take you to a secure page where you can create a new password. Choose a strong one with letters, numbers, and symbols. Then type it again to confirm and save. Now go back to the app or website, log in with your email and new password. And you're ready to use your account again. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.